Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the font size from default to smaller on your account on Bluesky, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application, Bluesky application, and then click on these three lines up here, then go to the settings, and here you will find appearance. So as you see here, you will find the smaller, so click on it. So if you wanna return it to default, just click on default again, and that's it. That's how to change the font size to smaller, easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.